Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a hack that will prevent your turnbuckles from ever loosening up. Four-wheel campers are typically attached to the bed of the truck using turnbuckles. In a recent video, I showed how I bolted my camper in place to completely prevent shifting and bouncing, which can occur if the turnbuckles loosen up. While I was making that video, I thought of a method for keeping the turnbuckles tight for those of you that don't want to drill extra holes in the bed of your truck. With the standard turnbuckle that Four-Wheel Campers provides, all you're going to need is one lock nut per turnbuckle. The size of the lock nut is 3/8 with a standard 16 thread count. Ideally, you're going to want a lock nut that's been around the block a few times, but if you're buying new, you're going to have to break it in a bit. Once this is done, dismantle the turnbuckle in order to determine what side is left-hand threaded and what side is right-hand threaded. Mark on the turnbuckle what side is threaded with right-hand threads. Then adjust the turnbuckle so it's just barely wide enough to clear the eye bolt while being hooked over the camper attachment point. Remove the turnbuckle and lengthen the right-hand thread hook one rotation. Place the lock nut inside the turnbuckle and shorten the right-hand thread hook back to its original position, just enough to catch the threads of the lock nut. Reinstall the turnbuckle and hand tighten as much as possible. When the threads contact the nylon section of the lock nut, a wrench will be needed to further tighten the turnbuckle. Be careful not to over-tighten. No more loose turnbuckles. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.